Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials. Charge both AirPods and the case, and work in a quiet room to avoid masking details. Once connected over Bluetooth, select the AirPods as the audio output so you're testing the correct device. Make sure volume is set to a safe, consistent reference level, like 50% or a specific dB if you measure, because inconsistent levels hide problems. Next, you'll run sound tests and isolate channels to identify issues precisely. Now you run structured tests. Play a standardized tone sweep and a familiar track with varied dynamics so you can judge clarity, bass, mids, and treble. Once done, switch to mono to check channel equality and pan audio fully left then right to detect dead drivers or imbalance. Also examine fit and ear seal because a poor seal can kill bass. Try alternate tips and slight repositioning. If distortion appears at low volume, note frequency and whether it persists across sources. To finish, verify your findings by repeating tests on a second device and, if feasible, a wired or alternative Bluetooth adapter to rule out source issues. Once done, check firmware and perform a reset. This often resolves codec or connectivity faults. If problems continue, clean contacts and grills, repair the AirPods, and document exact symptoms and test files before contacting support. A key troubleshooting tip: if imbalance or crackle appears only on one device, the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.